The Daily Code Snippet. The media attribute specifies a condition used to evaluate whether the source element fits the scenario. If the media attribute is determined to be false, it is skipped and the browser moves on to the next element. In our code example, we see that picture is a traditional element with an opening tag and a closing tag. However, source and image are both empty elements and have only opening tags. The source element has two different attributes. It has the srcset attribute and the media attribute. The srcset attribute tells the browser where to find the image, and the media attribute tells the browser what are the conditions to display this image. The image element also displays a source attribute, which tells the browser where to find the image, and also has the alt text that should accompany the image, as well as the title. So in this example, if the media screen has a minimum width of 600 pixels, then the image that will be loaded onto the page is sample logo-wide.png. However, if the screen has a width that is less than 600 pixels, then the browser will load sample logo-narrow.png. Presented by Designers Learn Code.